My skin is granite, my tears are rain. I watch man come chanting through the valley, through the pain. Storm dragon rising, river clear for lumber's gain. They carved me in the old way, seeking what remains. Ancient mountains standing still, Bodhisattva on my side, holding hope against the chill. Babylon cannot divide. From Jitu down to Tushita, cannons right upon the stone. City politics left behind them, true seekers fresh and bold. Practice like a plow, yeah, turning soil in the cave. The inner work, the only work that truly can save. Mountain speaking, mountain teaching, granite and rain is reaching. From the rock to fire kindle, in the fire lays the simple. Kukai came to Goya, early carving desperately. Final age of the law approaching, he carved to set the Dharma free. Rekindle what is dying, in the heart, not in the throat. Zion is an inner state now, liberation in the bone. Out of chains and inner chains, breaking differently, you see. One needs the sword, one needs the key. The mountain knows both ways. Granite standing with that free, the Bodhisattva ways. For those who learn to breathe, ancient mountain standing still. Bodhisattva on my side, holding hope against the chill. Granite and rain, granite and rain, keep the promise, cause I remain.